So these coils of metal, they're used for roofing, the corrugated metal roofing, and this is the machine that corrugates the metal. So they're gonna show how they make this from the coils, how they make the panels. So this is the coil.
इसको अपन रिमोट से हैंडल हो जाती है तो बहुत इजी है जैसे.
Oh wow, yeah.
इंडियन स्टार्टर ऐसा हो जाएगा.
बीच में से
नहीं एक आगे एक जाके जाके 4 हो गया.
हाँ. Oh, that's how corrugated roofing is made. Interesting.
ब्लास्ट भी कम होते जाता है. ऊपर जब आ रही है तो ब्रेक भी कम होता है.
ये देखा बहुत, लेकिन मेरे को मालूम था कैसा बनता है. इंटरेस्टिंग है.
20 फीट 30 पीस काटेंगे.
अच्छा 20 फीट ना
20 फीट 30 पीस देखो बंद करिए 30 पीसेस 20 फीट. या एक चार गोल खत्म कर लेगा तो 30 फीट काटे तो करना है. हाँ 30 नहीं ये 15 हमें स्पीड कम है. स्पीड बड़ी जगह है. बजा रहा हूँ. 27-28 चदर कटे के बाद ये मशीन रुकी जगह ये थायरन बजेगा कि अपने पास और आगे कटिंग कर रही कि नहीं. अगर अपने कर रही है तो इन्हें पास जो रीसेट पर लगे जो नहीं तो नहीं कर रही है तो मुझे बैक कटर है वहाँ उसमें भी ऑटोमेटिक कटिंग कर लेगा. अपने हाथ की करने की जरूरत नहीं है.
नहीं सब खुद ही बनाए अपने तो
This machine, it makes these prints. So it'll take this rod, put it in this press, and it creates these, which I'm still not sure what they're for. But these are all the final products.
पंद्रह वाले देखने की ज़्यादा वो बोर्डिंग में काम नहीं कर सकते. Looking at all this now, Zishan is going to start his own business. He is no longer interested in jobs and working on a laptop for some IT company.
I'd rather be working in these hazardous conditions.
हो जाएगी गाड़ी तो जाएगी.
You're gonna squeeze the car in this tiny alley. Just big enough for the car.
इससे बड़ी गाड़ी होना तो भी चलेगा.
हाँ.
हालत हो गई जाएगी. खाना पीना लेना क्या करना. We are going right now to a picnic spot. मतलब भिंडर में
Yes.
whoever wants to do a picnic,
Right.
they go on that spot.
Except for not doing a picnic.
Except for not doing a picnic. Yeah, cows. I haven't seen them do anything except for eat and sleep.
Yeah. These are water buffaloes, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
No clue why they are called water buffaloes, but it's water buffaloes. Water, yeah, swimming करते हैं.
Uh-huh. Think that India will be a superpower in 2030?
Not in 2030, but in 2050 definitely.
2050?
Because I'm telling you, India now, I have seen India develop. Like I am almost 30 years old.
Yeah.
So I know how India was 10 years back, how it was 20 years back, how it was, and how much it has developed since. So I know the potential of how much it can be developed.
Yeah.
Bro, right now जो तुम देख रहे हो ना bro, पहले इंडिया में ना इसका 50% भी नहीं था.
Yeah.
But now इतना सब आया. So slowly things are coming. FIIs are increasing the investments in India, bro. Foreign investments are increasing. सब कुछ. Welcome to Hyundai. छतरी हुई है, रेड वाली छतरी है. एक ये और एक वो, ये दोनों दादा ने बनाई.
This is the go-to picnic spot.
Yes.
In Binger.
And जब भी मतलब इधर ये होता है ना पिकनिक, that's the prayer room over there.
Yeah.
वो prayer होता है, जहाँ खाना वाना बनता है, सब होता है. तो ये घूमना है. कुछ है नहीं, लेकिन इधर ऐसे खाना वाना पकाते, कुछ इवेंट होता है तो खिलाते पिलाते.
Yeah.
जो दाल बाटी चूरमा बना.
निकली रहे ना, निकालो तुम निकालो. मेरा हाथ में धो लो बाबा था पानी से.
हाँ पी सको लेकिन हाँ
मिन्नत चलती थी पिला
नहीं हाँ पीवा ना आज भी लोग.
शिफानो पानी है क्या यो?
चलाए
No, this is for drinking water.
नहीं आई नहीं.
This is drinking water.
हाँ पियो ना.
Pure drinking water.
ट्यूबवेल नो पानी.
ट्यूबवेल नो एकदम मिनरल, हाँ एकदम क्लीन और ठंडा.
ये full waterproof भी है देखें. चल रहा है वीडियो.
બાથરૂમ છે, વઝુ કરવાનું છે, પાણી ફૂલ ફ્લેશ પાણી છે.
So this area has been developed over the last few years by the community here, including my grandfather. He built this structure right there and that one as well. Fresh well water, right?
फ्रेश. हाँ अभी मैं भी पी लेता हूँ.
Villagers here get better water than we get in the US.
Because this is direct from the.
Yeah. Our water goes through these filtration systems and they add all these chemicals and minerals. And it's questionable what they're adding, in the water. It's very...
That's why bro, villagers, you look at them, like 70, 80, the age of 70, 80 bro is nothing for them.
Yeah.
Like easily bro, they'll live up to 90, 90 years. Tell me the average age of an American now, I believe bro would be around 65.
Yeah. It's a bit longer because of the medications that they keep them on. But the last 20 years, they're like sick.
They are dead.
and
After 55, 60 now, they are dead.
Chronic diseases and all this stuff. And yet America thinks that their medical industry is the top in the world. Like,
bro, India ka medical bro, people from kidhar se log aate to India just for
yeah.
Rider. Riding a scooter for the first time. This
Not the first time.
American tourists in the villages of India. I think soon from a jungle boy, he's going to upgrade himself to a village boy. This noob NRI, he thinks he has come to India and he thinks he's going to beat the Indians.
I don't know the way, that's why I'm following this car. But if this car wasn't here,
but little does he know that India is not for beginners. And this beginner thinks he's an amateur or a pro.
India is so easy.
India is easy because of the Indian seafood. Oh no, now there's a typical task. Now let's see what this noob can do. निकाल दो गाड़ी के पीछे पीछे. हाँ. Oh, nice one, huh?
Easy man.
American dude, you burger, you fat. You only eat burgers and pizzas.
Yes.
Eat some curries. Oh wow.
Speed में चला.
Now you see the difference between a beginner and an amateur.